Megawin's MDSF40 dual-core MCU+MOC FOC ceiling fan solution.
What is the difference between a ceiling fan and a floor standing fan?
It is installed on the indoor roof, easy remote control switching. Ceiling fans are usually installed on the top of the room, so they are usually equipped with a remote control to control the airflow because they are far away. Megawin's MDSF40 solution of low-voltage ceiling fan supports infrared receiver with infrared transmitter remote control to switch gears and fan speed.
What kind of low-voltage ceiling fan does it support?
Household small power, windy and stable, low noise. AC power supply 220 voltage, power range below 50 watt. Motor voltage DC 24V. Unique patented vibration and noise reduction technology. The MDSF40 uses Sine-Wave control, and the BLDC motor can reduce noise more effectively. Motor vibration reduction technology. Busbar current suppression technology.
What is the performance and safety?
Intelligent variable frequency high performance, multiple protection mechanism, dual core design, 8-bit core MOC motor control, hardware processing FOC control and protection, high PF power factor, high efficiency, and low loss power supply, energy and power saving, smooth turnaround in windward downwind operation. The whole machine has speed closed loop circuit operation, power control, current limiting operation. The MDSF40 integrates hardware and firmware protection mechanisms with over-under voltage no load, over current over temperature. Ceiling fan solution block diagram. To be continued.